Hello friends, in this video we're going to practice no and not. Now, before we start, how do we use no and how do we use not? We use no before a noun and we use not to make a verb, adjective, or adverb negative. So these are the simple rules. Now that we understand, let's practice. Our first practice will be to fill in the blanks, write no or not. So let's look at the first one. Let's read it carefully. I have blank space, homework today. And now homework. What is homework? Well, homework is a noun, so we have to use no. I have no homework today. Number two, she is ready yet. So let's look at ready. Ready is an adjective. So we want to make an adjective, this adjective, be negative. So we have to use not. She is not ready yet. Number three, there is water in the bottle. Water. What is water? Is it a verb, adjective, or adverb? Well, water is a noun. Therefore, we should write no. There is no water in the bottle. Number four, he does blank space understand the question. This word here is a verb. Understand is a verb. And since we're practicing using no or not, therefore this one should be not. He does not understand the question. Number five, we have blank space pets. Pets, this is a noun. Therefore, we use no. We have no pets. Number six, this movie is blank space interesting. This word here is an adjective. Therefore, we use not. This movie is not interesting. Number seven, they had blank space money left. So let's look at this word money. What is it? That's right. That is a noun. Therefore, we use no. They had no money left. Number eight, I am hungry. This word hungry is an adjective. I am not hungry. Number nine, there were blank space people at the bus stop. Let's look at the word people. People is a noun. Therefore, we use no. There were no people at the bus stop. Number 10. The answer is blank space correct. For this one, we have to use not. The answer is not correct. I have one more practice for you, but before we continue, let me know down in the comments if you understand the difference between no and not. Here's your next practice. You're going to choose the correct answer. So let's start. Let's read each sentence carefully. Number one, I have no or not idea. So our hint here is idea. Idea is a noun. Therefore, we circle no. I have no idea. Number two, she is busy today. Busy is a verb. Therefore, we should circle not. She is not busy today. Number three, there is no not sugar left. This word here, sugar, this is a noun. Therefore, we circle no. There is no sugar left. Number 4. He does not play soccer. Play soccer. It's a verb. So let's make it negative using not. He does not play soccer. Number 5. We have not problems. Problem is a noun. So we have to circle no. We have no problems. Number 6. This book is not easy. This word easy is an adjective, so we circle not. This book is not easy. Number 7. They had not reason to leave. The word reason is a noun. We circle no. They had no reason to live. Number 8. I am not tired. This is a verb, so we circle not. I am not tired. Number 9. There were not mistakes on the test. This word here, mistakes. It is a noun, so we have to circle no. There were no mistakes on the test. And number 10, it is not my bag. Okay, this sentence is very interesting because even though bag is a noun, we have to understand that this sentence is describing a situation. So we have to circle not. It is not my bag. Thank you for watching, and if this video helps you, let me know down in the comments. I'll see you in the next lesson.